Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make matcha green tea melting moments. First, you put softened butter. I left it in room temperature for 2 hours or so. You beat the butter until it's smooth. Then you add sugar. You beat the mixture until it becomes pale and fluffy. Now you can see it is lighter in color and texture. Then you add plain flour. And rice flour. This rice flour will make the melting moment short and crumbly. You mix with a spatula. When all the flour is incorporated, the plain dough is done. You can make matcha green tea dough. You put half of the plain dough in a bowl and add matcha powder and mix well. You can get matcha powder from Asian grocery or buy online. Good quality matcha powder gives deep green color, slight bitter taste, and beautiful fresh green tea aroma. It is done. Now you shape the biscuits. You can scoop up some dough and roll it with your hands. Flatten it. Place it on a lined tray and repeat. Please make sure they are the same size because you will sandwich them together so they have to match. Gently press a fork down onto the dough. That gives them the pretty pattern. Bake the biscuits in the preheated oven at 170 degrees or 160 if enforced for 12 to 15 minutes or until they are lightly golden. While baking, you make chocolate icing. You melt white chocolate in microwave oven with low heat and 10 seconds at a time to make sure it doesn't burn. Then you put softened butter in a bowl. Beat it until it's smooth. You add icing sugar. Beat again until it's light and fluffy. You use a spatula to mix the icing sugar stuck on the side of the bowl. Then you pour the cooled, melted white chocolate into the butter mixture and mix well. White chocolate icing is done. You will make matcha icing for plain biscuits. You put half the white chocolate icing in a bowl and add matcha powder and mix. Look how glossy and smooth. Please put both icing in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now you spread chilled matcha icing on a plain biscuit. This matcha icing is slightly bitter, so it goes really well with the sweetness of the plain biscuit. And sandwich with another biscuit, and it's done. You will sandwich the white chocolate icing with matcha biscuits. Look at the color contrast. I recommend keeping these melting moments in the fridge so that the icing is nice and hard, almost like chocolate. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.